Okay, so now we will study about certain terrestrial habitats. So we had first chosen the habitat of the desert. Now, before going into the adaptation part, first we should know how desert environment looks like. It is the two main character which are prevailing in the desert is high temperature and scarcity of rainfall. So the desert plants and animals are adjusted by tolerating these two conditions. So, and the characteristics of the hot desert include high temperature in summer, greater evaporation than precipitation. What does it mean? That means the sunlight is so intense that the water very fast evaporates, but rate of precipitation, that is rainfall, is very low. Strong winds and lack of clouds cover and low humidity are another factors. Then what? Strong wind, that is the wind speed is very high. The second is cloud cover. If there is a cloud cover, there would have been certain shadow. But in desert, we are not being able to see that type of environment and very low humidity. So, and also considerable variation in the occurrence of precipitation is very much seen. That means there is no such consistency of precipitation in the desert. So these are features of the desert. Now there are certain desert animals which are adapted in the environment of the desert. First one, main animals found are insect, small rodents, reptiles. So small animals you can see, but the larger animals like the birds, the mammals, they are comparatively rare. No, so majority cases we can find these small animals. Since water is so scarce, most desert animals get the water from the food they eat. That is the way they had been adapted. In the last class, very much we were telling about the adaptation. Here you can see different adaptations. That is, as the desert animals, they know there are very less percentage of water. So what do? They take the water directly from the food that they eat. Then it is very important, as in the picture you can see prevention of water loss. This is very important. Kangaroo rat, lizard live in burrows which do not get too hot or too cold and have more humid air inside. They live inside the burrows, and during the hot daytime they spend whole of the time in the burrows, and they come out from the burrows in the night to get some food. They are adjusted, they are adapted in such a manner that daytime they hardly get out of that place because it was scorching and unbearable heat. Scorpions and wolf spiders have a thick outer covering. This I was telling in the last class that there are animals like scorpions and the wolf spider, they have a out skin layer is very thick. Why? So that they can retain the moisture, they can retain the water content inside the body, and through the thick skin that water is not going out. The kidneys of the desert animals concentrate urine so that they can excrete less water. Urination, you know, by this process lot of water are going out of our body. So their excretory system is managed in such a manner so that they can excrete little bit amount of or concentrated amount of urine so as to conserve the water inside their body. Rodents of the desert can live only on dry seeds. Succulent cacti and other plants that store water and do not require drinking water. See, this is such a beautiful adaptation that these animals have. They eat dry seeds, they don't need water. That is the same reason, that is, they don't get much water. Some ants and crickets burrow deeply into the ground. Burrows of kangaroos rat penetrate 50 to 65 centimeter below the surface. This is because of the same reason. And the ear opening of the desert animals are also well protected by hair or scales. That is also true for eyes as well. In both the cases, due to the excessive wind speed, there is majority times a storm of sand is seen, as a result of which there is a tendency of getting hurt by these sands. So the delicate parts of our body, the eyes, the ears, are covered with the long hairs so that they are protected. So you can see such a diversified features are used by desert animals. Not only camel but also all other many animals to protect themselves from the harsh environment of the desert. Not only protect but also stay in a smooth life. They used to have such adaptive features.